Look, I'm going to be really quick on this tip. I want to give you 3 reasons why you need to use a manager log in your restaurant, and I'm going to share them with you in about 2 seconds. Hello, this is Dave Scott Peters, creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. I'm going to tell you, I think a manager log is a critical tool in your business. And I'm going to give you my top 3 reasons why I think you should have a manager log. Number 1, it holds your management team accountable because you get to set a list of questions, pieces of information that you want to be paid attention to on a daily basis. You are going to make sure you get what you want done on a daily basis. Number 2, you know your key numbers. Right? You don't have to call up and say, what were our covers at lunch? What were our covers at dinner? What was our sales? What was the temperature like? How many employees we have, ... Whatever those key metrics are for you, labor costs, food costs, and so on, purchases, you can make those questions so that whether you're using an online solution or paper solution, you know your numbers. So doesn't everybody on the team. And last but not least, it fosters improved communication. We now have people sharing with each other all the critical data. What's going on in the business, employee issues, repairs, maintenance, you name it, it's right there. But do know that while I love these things, you can hold people accountable, you can know your key numbers, and you foster good communication, that it is not common sense on how to fill out a manager log. You have to teach them not to be so brief that it's yes, no's, not to be so long that it's a soliloquy and everybody's bored to tears because somebody's just vomiting out information. You have to teach them how detailed you want it, how much information you want, how succinct you want it to be. Because when you do so, what it allows you to do as an operator, whether a general manager or an owner, is to know that your business is operating the way you want it done. Look, I'm going to tell you, if you like tips like this, you want to get your life back, you want to make the money you deserve, have freedom from your business, then you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. You need to like this video because why? Every week I give you tips just like this and then some on how to implement systems in your business to give you the life you deserve, the freedom from your business, and make the money you deserve. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.